If you're new here, hi, this is Marion and today I am doing Instagram chooses my makeup. Thank you all my followers for participating in that poll and choosing the makeup what I have piled onto my face today. And I have named this makeup look Instagram baddie makeup because I am feeling myself in this hair clip, in this badass falsies and the beautiful glowy skin and the beautiful eyeshadows. Yes, I am in love with this makeup look, and I generally do not wear hair clips, guys, but I am trying to make a point to wear hair clips, So I really hope you guys like this look, and if you like it, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and follow me on Instagram if you are not following me already. A lot of fun stuffs happen there as well. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel because I do share quite a few DIYs, makeup looks, and talk about tips and tricks, how you can achieve beautiful yourself. Until next time, take care, love you, bye. So my skin is all prep. I have moisturized it quite a while before. So now I want to start by applying some sort of facial mist on my face. Today I'm using this, the Queen of Hungry mist. So primer wise, you two chose Becca, and I wanted to talk to you about the Becca primers that I have and why do I love them. So these are the two Becca primers that I own. This is the Becca First Light Priming Filter. So the First Light Priming Filter has quite a lilac-y shade, so this helps with fatigued skin and it evens out as well. And this one is my ultimate favorite. As you guys can see, I have almost finished the bottle and this is quite a big size. So this is the Backlight Priming Filter. I really like the First Light as well. When my skin looks pretty tired and fatigued, then I go for this. But you guys know me, I love myself a very luminous glow. So then I reach for this. So today I will reach for this if something comes out of it. Oh, sorry, forgot. First things, I have to put some sort of antibacterial hand sanitizer on my hands because I will be using my fingers on my face. And our hands tend to gravitate towards all the germs in the world. So this is one of the reasons you might be getting acne or rashes. So if you use hand sanitizers before you start your makeup, you are safe to go. And I really like the smell of this. Which one is this? This is Unicorns Rule the World. So see the magic now. It's like you have just got a facial or you have slept for 10 hours at a stretch, like that kind of a glow, or you're just happy, when you're happy you tend to glow. So off camera I have done my brows just to save us some time, and I have made them look like very bushy, Instagram worthy. So for foundation, you guys have chosen the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover. This is the one, and I have been loving this foundation since the time I've started using this. And this has got SPF 50 in it, and it says it's broad spectrum plus anti-pollution, and it says it's full coverage, lightweight, protective makeup, and that is exactly what it is. So I've got two shades in here because while I was buying this in store, I could not find a taster. So I have got 265 Soft Tan and 336 golden bronze. So golden bronze is quite a bit dark for me, so when I mix these two together it becomes my perfect shade. So but before I put this on, I have to do color correction, so I'm gonna do that and come back. Do you guys see the finish on my skin? I would say it leaves quite a bit of sheen, even though we have put a very glowy primer. Even when I have used a very gel-like primer underneath, it still gives me a beautiful glow, which I really like about it. So if you have dry skin to normal skin, you will love this finish. But if you're oily, you might have to use some powder to set it down. For concealer, you guys chose Tarte Shape Tape. And when I started using this concealer, I was quite skeptical about it. It looked cakey on my skin because I have a very dry skin, so I have to prep it really well. But for past few months, I have been suffering from acne and acne scars, and I was struggling to cover all those scars. And then I started using this because I knew it was quite a full coverage. And then I fell in love with it. You guys will see why did I fall in love with it. So I have got two shades in here. For underneath my eyes, I am using shade medium, and a little goes a really long way for this concealer. See how beautifully it brightens and conceals the dark circles, and it looks like flawless. Like, oh my god, I really like this concealer. So for powder, I asked you guys which powder should I use, drugstore or high-end, because I could not pinpoint which powder do I put up there for the poll. And you guys chose drugstore. So there are quite a few hidden gems in drugstore as in powders, which I have been loving for years. One of them is Soap and Glory. This is Kika's powder, and the other one is One Heck of a Blot. So this one I use when I am in quite a hot and humid weather condition. And trust me guys when I say this, when I set my face with this, I do not have to touch up, and my skin does not look oily or greasy throughout the day. I am like, this powder is amazing. If you guys should get your hands on this. And another one is the Kika's one. Today I'm gonna use this because this has like a yellowish undertone in it, and it brightens the under eye as well. And right now my skin is pretty dry, so I don't need a blotting powder underneath my eyes. But there is two more drugstore powder which I want to share with you. Another one is this Bourjois one. This is, I would say, a good dupe for my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk powder. This is a powder foundation, and this sets your face like nothing else. It looks incredibly good. And the other one is this one. I'm sorry, this is really dirty. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and my shade is Medium Deep 30. You can bake with it if you want, but I generally don't bake with it, and you do not need a lot of it. So what I do is I take a little bit of it, put it in the caps, roll around, tap off the excess, and just tap it all over my face. So it adds a little bit of color as well, but it makes my skin look so smooth and flawless. Oh. And now I will spray this mist on my face one more time so that it doesn't look cakey or powdery. So bronzer wise, you guys chose my favorite Benefit Hoola. So today I'm using this Hoola Caramel. I cannot find the original Hoola. Generally, I like to mix in both of those, but this one will do. This is really pigmented, so you have to go really light-handed with it. And this shade is perfect. I am extremely sorry, guys. So while I was bronzing my face, since then till now, while I have already started doing my eyes, there is no footage. I am really annoyed about this because my card got full and I did not even realize. Damn. Anywho, so you guys have seen I have used the Hoola bronzer. So for highlights, you guys have chosen Becca. Becca is one of my most favorite highlight formulas, I would rather say. So I have two shades in here. One is Champagne Pop, which I have popped onto my skin. You can't see it because of this baking thing. And the other one is Opal. This is more champagne-y and that one is more gold. These ones completely melts onto your skin and gives you that gorgeous glistening glow. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. I am really sorry that footage got cut off. For blush, you guys chose MAC, and I also love MAC blushes, guys, even though I have other favorites, but time to time I tend to go back to MAC. So one favorite shade is this one. This is Gingerly. The other one is Desert Rose. This is more muted pink. And this one, which I have used today, is Peaches. These are all matte, and what can I say about matte blushes? They are OG blushes. I remember the time when all these other brands did not come up with different textures and tones of blushes. MAC did. I really like MAC blushes. So I have finished my skin and then I have prepped my eyes with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. And for eyeshadow palette, you guys chose Morphe. I'm sorry, this is dirty. So today I'm using this Morphe eyeshadow palette, Dare to Create. And I am using this shade onto my mobile lid, and I was just packing on the color while I realized it was not recording anymore. I'm really sorry about that. Let me zoom you guys in a bit. Alright, back to business. And I'm using this shader brush to pack on the shade. So I am just packing it on till the time I get the desired pigmentation, and then I will take a blending brush like this, which is more tapered, and this is Morphe M441, and I will be taking this shade right here to blend it onto the crease. And because we have put this powder here, which I also missed recording, so that we will get a very clean edge of our eyeshadow. And to intensify the crease a little bit more, I will be taking this shade on a more tapered brush. This is from Sigma. This is small tapered blending brush E45, and go right in the crease. And then just at the outer corner, to create a little more depth, I will be taking this aubergine color just to create a little more depth in here. And then I'll take a clean brush, I will go over the edges to soften it a bit. And now onto the lower lash line, I will be using this gorgeous bronzy shade, this one, on a pencil brush. These metallic shades in here are insanely pigmented, you guys. I am in love with this metallic shades. And I will intensify the brow bone highlight also a little bit. And I will put it in the inner corners as well. So for mascara, I want to use this one today. This one I have got from Sephora as a gift for being a gold member, And look how pretty the packaging is. It's absolutely gold, you guys. And it is called the Outrageous Volume Dramatic Mascara. So now that the mascara is done, I'll do the lower lash mascara after I put on my falsies. Yes, I asked you guys, do you want me to put on falsies or no falsies? You guys voted for falsies. As it's an Instagram makeup tutorial, I want to put on a very glam falsies. So today I will be using this Farah lashes. I have used this before, hence it is all over the place. This is my most favorite dramatic eyelashes. So I'm gonna pop them off camera and I'll be right back. Lashes are on, but I want to put something really dark onto my lash line to hide the lash band. For that I'll be using this black eyeshadow onto an angled brush just to go over the edges of that lash band. So for lips, I asked you guys to choose in between bright and nude, and you guys chose nude. And for this look, I believe nude lips goes perfectly. So first I will be lining my lips with this Pat McGrath lip liner in the shade Supernatural. Like so. And then on top of it, this is my very favorite shade of nude lipstick, which is from Sephora. It is number 39. I really like this shade of nude. Love it. But this wouldn't be Meron's tutorial if she hadn't mixed at least 2 shades of lipstick. So on top of it, I'm using this not Revlon, what is this? Rimmel. It is called the Only One lipstick in the shade Trendsetter number 700. Just the middle. Pretty. We are almost done, but on top of it I want to spray this onto my face. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Spray, and the mist is so fine. I don't know if you guys can see, like, see, it's so fine. And that is the finished makeup, you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this Instagram baddie makeup tutorial with all the makeup that you chose for me, and I had really fun filming this for you all. Until next time, stay blessed and beautiful. Mwah.